Sauce for the barbecue. What we need is salt, pepper, soy sauce, ketchup, mayonnaise. If you don't have this, it's okay. And then Italian, sesame oil, sugar, and magic syrup, and paprika. Okay, let's start the sauce now. Put some salt. Magic syrup. Soy sauce. Ketchup, mayonnaise. Sesame oil. Italian. And then the sugar. And the paprika. And this. Pepper. Okay, that's all we need. Okay, ito na yung ginawa natin sauce. Tapos ito yung slice na ginawa ko. Ayan siya. Just marinate this at least 1 hour. Then, now we have here some of the recipe for the steak. We need a steak, so later we show you the steak. We have here pork, the marinade pork, mushroom, the onion, bell pepper, and the tomato. Okay, so we need to slice this first, then we can put in the stick. Okay, let's start it. The onion, bell pepper, tomato, mushroom, and the pork. So we have also the stick here. This is the stick I have, and then just need to put this one. Okay. This is yummy for sure. Excuse me. Ta-da! Like that. Pork, onion, tomato, pork, and everything, and mushroom. Okay? So we put it in here. Just continue lang. Extra here, we can put it in here. Masala. It's done, and now we need to go to barbecue to cook this kebab. Smell good. So let's go. Let's start to cook now. cook. Fire. Eat it. Eat it.